Mughal Road connecting the twin districts of Poonch and Rajouri with Shopian was blocked due to a landslide at Shakkargah. The authorities said that traffic was plying on Srinagar-Jammu highway, the only surface link connecting the Kashmir Valley with the outside world. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the fascist Modi regime has destroyed the economy of the territory and deepened enslavement of its people through brutal laws and regulations. APHC leaders Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui, Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Zamrooda Habib, Yasmeen Raja, Dr. Musaib and Maulana Sajid Nadvi appealed to the United Nations to put pressure on India to stop atrocities, harassment and seizing properties of the people of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In an attempt to gain control of all religious places, the Modi regime through the newly constituted Waqf board headed by the Bharatiya Janata Party leader has ordered the disbanding of all local committees and khanqahs and masjid, warning that any decision taken by the committees will be punishable under the law. No local Awqaf committee management has any legal standing and no such committees has any kind of registration of violation from the Jammu and Kashmir Waqf board, the order read. National Conference Chief Farooq Abdullah launched a blistering broadside against the Modi-led BJP regime, saying that the Hindutva party is making Kashmiri pundits scapegoats in order to project a false sense of normalcy in the territory. Farooq Abdullah in a media interview said that the Modi regime's tall claims of normalcy have fallen flat. It is mere propaganda. The government is making Kashmiri pundits employees scapegoats to project the false normalcy claims. Research scholars of Kashmir University's biological sciences have raised alarm over the freezing of nearly 12 assistant professor posts in the department, fearing that the delay is being made intentionally to make a way for some of the blue-eyed candidates to apply for these positions directly without going through the recruitment process. They said the university put the positions on hold because it was considering appointing candidates in violations of the guidelines. A leader of India's Hindutva party Vishwa Hindu Parishad, while praising the Nazi party of German Adolf Hitler, has said that Christians and Muslims are top enemies of Hindus. The Hindutva leader delivered a speech at a weapon worship event organized by Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal in Jodhpur in Indian state of Rajasthan. The Hindutva leader said that every Hindu home should have weapons.